Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome to the 7 sessions of our initiations. This week you are going to learn about making and responding to an appointment, as well as giving an explanation in English. You can find this week's topic in Module 8 and Module 9. Each module consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to identify the expressions used to make or respond to an appointment, explanations, negotiations, and draw a conclusion in a meeting. Please study the material and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussions for Room 7 and do the assignment 3. Good luck. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.